Hey guys, today we are going to learn about Korean alphabets with final consonant. As you remember, last time we learned the Korean words without final consonant. So it goes like this: consonant on the left side and vowel on the right side, and you put them together, right? So on the left, ski mountain, S sound, and vowel A, so together, sa, sa. And next one, ka, ka. And the other one, consonant and vowel together, so, so. But today we learn the Korean word with final consonant. So by final consonant, I meant this one here at the bottom. So consonant on the left and vowel on the right, and then another consonant but at the bottom of the word. Okay, let me show you examples. Consonant S sound, red colored, and vowel ah. Oh, sorry, this one here together. NG sound. So together, sang, sang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sang. And this one, D sound, 1, and ah sound. And then this one, N sound, right? So together, tan, tan. 1, 2, 3, all right? Tan. And next one is chan, chan. Also, I forgot here. Chan. And kim, kim, kim. Okay? And there are some rules you have to memorize when it comes to the pronunciation of the consonant with when it comes to pronunciation of the alphabet with consonant. Rule number 1, when you have a word like that, final consonant and this no sound, right? This no sound consonant, then this one moves to the back. This one moves to the back. So 사바, 사바. So this one at the bottom, final consonant, moves to the back. It replaces this one. So this one originally had no sound, right? And this one takes the place. 사바, 사바. Okay. And no sound, no sound. And then this one moves to the back. This one moves to the back, replaces the takes the place. So the pronunciation is pakasa, pakasa. Okay. You see this one here in the second syllabus, and you see this one in the third syllabus here, right? Pakasa, pagasa. Okay, next one. Only one no sound here, so this one moves to the back, but this one doesn't replace this here. So 박현아, 박현아 here, 박현아. Only this one goes to the back. This one doesn't. This one doesn't. Okay. And sometimes you see two double consonant, so which is double consonant at the bottom as a final consonant, like this one. And then you have no sound here. Then the one on the right replaces this one. And on the left one, this one stays there. So pronunciation is this 발길이, 발길이. Okay. And then rule number 2 is this one. So when these are at the bottom as a final consonant, so let's start with this one. These are as final consonant still has original sound, but the others have different sounds. So these consonant T sound, this one 기억, this sound. So it's more like G, right? And then this one is P sound here. So this one originally had P sound, right? But when it as a final consonant, it's P sound. And this one originally K sound, but as final consonant, G sound. And the rest still have original sound. Let me show you example. Let's start with this here. You see these consonants, final consonant here. So original sound of this consonant is S. S. So it was supposed to be goes, but it's not. As a final consonant, it has T sound here, T sound. So 곧, okay, 곧. And this one, the final consonant, originally is CH sound, but it's not OCH, okay? It still has T sound, like this one. So 옷, 옷. And this one, originally H sound, right? So it should be more, but it's not. It's T sound, 못, okay? Once again, 곧, 옷, 못. All right. And second rule is this one. Original sound of this is K sound, but when it's as the final consonant, it's G sound, like this, 기억. So it's not okay, but it's 옥, like this one. This one and this one, they're written differently, but they're pronounced just the same. 옥, 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 옥. And this one, P sound originally, and this one, P sound, right? P sound. But as a final consonant, they are pronounced just the same. 복, 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 복. All right. And the rest still has the original sound. So this one, G or K, right? So 각, 각. And this one, 간, N sound, original sound, still has it. 간, 간. And cut, cut, cut. 칼, 칼, 칼. 감, 감, 감. 갑, 갑, 갑. 강, 강, 강. All right. And rule number 3 is this one. 히읗 consonant plus 이응, which is no sound. Then you just get 이응. So for example, here you have H sound, 히읗 consonant, and then no sound consonant here. Then if you put them together, 나, then it's pronounced. So this H sound disappears, and then you just have this no sound consonant left here. 나, 나. It's not a. If you read each syllabus correctly, then it's not a. But if you read them together, then it's 나. This one disappears, and then you just have this no sound left. 나. This one same. It's not 삿아. But 사. Okay. And rule number 4. Sorry, there are too many rules. Rule number 4 is here. Oops, let me make it bigger. H consonant and 기억, G sound, or D sound consonant, if you put them together, then it's K sound or T sound aspirated. It becomes aspirated. Okay, so here H sound, and then you have G sound. Then it's pronounced na ko, na ko. H disappears again, and na ko, na ko. Okay, and then this one. Let me rid of this. It's not ta ta. It's not ta ta, but ta ta, ta ta. Okay, H disappears. Ta ta. All right. Rule number 5. H sound and niun. Then you have niun plus niun. Here, let's see. Here you have H sound consonant, and then you have niun here, N sound consonant. Then it's not tat-는, it's not tat-는, it's tan-는. Okay? This H sound is replaced by niun consonant, just for pronunciation. You still have to write this way, but when you pronounce them, tan-는, it's not tat-는, tan-는, tan-는, tan-는. And it's not sat-는, sat-는, san-는, san-는. Okay? san-는. And rule number 6, H sound and here S sound consonant, then you get double consonant S. Okay? So strongly aspirated one. It's not tat-so, it's not tat-so, but it's ta-so, ta-so. H sound disappears again, ta-so. Pronunciation, ta-so. It's not so, it's not so, but na so, na so, na so. Okay? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. If there's anything you don't understand, then just feel free to leave a comment, and I will try my best to answer as soon as possible. Bye.